Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Grand Wagoneer. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer 4x4 rocks. Easy to work on with a strong V8, a classic American 4x4. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.